Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a small little haul from Walmart. I picked up some automotive cleaning items, and so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys for watching. We'll talk a little bit more about them when we get there. Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope your day is going well. So we picked up some just cleaning items, automotive cleaning items from Walmart. I've been eyeballing these Mother's pads, these little power cones and power cleaners, Powerball, for a while, several years, and I should have picked them up when Amazon had them for like $5-6 a piece, and one of them was like 12 instead of 20. And then I picked up another pack of these Auto Drive brand microfiber 30-pack towels. And I picked up, this is just a CRC can of white lithium grease that I picked up. So the main reason why I picked these up is because I'm tired of fighting with the rims on my truck. My 4Runner, the American Outlaw buckshot rims are a pain to clean. They have circles in the center, and they have got probably 20 different groove and crevice sections that are really hard to get to. And I'll show you guys in a different video. We're not going to go out and look at the truck today, but these towels, I like these towels. They're kind of coarse, and they work well. And I'll show you one of the pads. I actually did use and test this for the channel. Before I recorded a video, I decided to do it on like two door panels, and the dash and the steering wheel, and the speedometer, and everything else, or the plastic that covers the speedometer and the tachometer and everything. And then I decided to do like just the little speaker covers that are on the pillar for the door and a few other places. And I did the back doors completely, and I didn't do the front doors at all. But I also did all the rubber trim, the trim on the outside, just to see how it does, you know, in the heat. And you know, this tray is completely like bent all the heck. But so this is what the rag ended up turning out like after I was done. And this is one of these guys, so the ones in these bags. So these are good rags, and for $9 you get 30. You get 10 in yellow, 10 in blue, 10 in orange. It's not bad at all. I don't remember what the pack I have is. I don't remember which color is it. Oh, it's the same. So the pack I have, the blue is darker. So this is the pack I already had. Oops. This is the pack I already had. The color is a lot darker. So if I move this over, this color is a lot lighter. This is kind of like a baby blue on the new pack. And the old original pack is kind of the camera doesn't do it justice. Maybe if I pull the camera back a little bit. Yeah, there you go. It's a lot darker. It's not a baby blue. It's actually like a medium blue. And I actually taped this corner right here because I cut a section out of it. So the pads are nice. Put the tripod back down before I drop you guys. So this stuff works really well. It gives this very nice glossy kind of finish, and it's dry to the touch, just like this says. Dry to the touch, repels dirt and water, long lasting protection. So we'll see. I will be recording a video specifically about this stuff right here. As as well as the other variant of the chemical guys, Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant for dash, glass, navigation, and more. This will do unique because it replaces over 8 products with just one solution. Cleans seats, dashboards, carpets, fabrics, metal, clear plastic, navigation screens, glass, windshields, door panels, wood dashboard trim, and more. Total interior cleaner. It has a harsh UV protectant in it for UV rays. Interior materials to fade, discolor, and crack. It will restore those items. For GPS LCD, clear plastics, navigation screens, and electronics, mist product directly onto microfiber towel. So we'll give these a try, and we'll see what it compares to this guy right here, which is the vinyl, rubber, and plastic. I use this on the A-pillars and everything else that has a specialized trim that goes up not the A-pillar, but the B-pillar. There's a metal and plastic trim that goes up the B-pillar. I even use it on the metal trim that holds the triangle-shaped glass in the back door windows into the door, and a few other things. I figured I would leave the front driver's side door to use this on, and then the front passenger side door we can use this one on. Do a video about it. Let me know, guys, what you think. I just wanted to show you that this stuff does work very well, which is why this rag is so dirty. And I'll probably also in the same video probably do a Diablo wheel cleaner video, or maybe I'll do that separate where I'm taking the rims off the truck and I'm cleaning the entire rims inside and out, to show you how well it works, as well as probably to leave one rim on to just show just the outside of the rim being done. But these, and they easily pop open. They're just little pads. I'm gonna drop that plastic on the ground. I'm hoping this will be super helpful for trying to get into the round circles and clean in there, and clean on the outside, because those rims have a lot of crevices, where the shape changes to a different shape and it curves, and doing it by hand for each rim, it takes a while. And this is rubber right here, the metal thing, and it's a quick, you can attach it to like an impact driver if you wanted to. Let me grab a little. You can attach it to an impact driver, you can attach it to a drill, whatever is more comfortable for you. But just, there you go. So this is just a little extreme DeWalt impact driver. I'll just put so you can attach it to an impact driver. They put the 1/4-inch chuck on it. And this is set up where their metal shank is actually covered by rubber, so that way it doesn't mar anything. Figure to give them a try. And this one comes with a quick swap bit extension, or it says new quick stop bit extension. This is the Powerball 2. I believe the Powerball 1 was just a round ball. You can get these at Walmart. You can get them at lots of places, even Amazon. This one comes with this extension, though. So this is a plastic sleeve. It's not metal. It's actually plastic. This has its own thread. So more than likely, this is only going to work on this ball specifically. Other than maybe some of their other power balls. But this just free spins. This plastic right here just free spins. And extends it pretty far out there. Yeah, I'm sure these will eventually break down. These pieces will rip off. You know. But it's nice that there's protective attachments for them. I'm going to give these a try on the rims. See if it makes cleaning the rims a little easier, because I end up getting like 70% of the brake dust off the rims, and dirt and mud off. And there's always spots that I have to scrub with my fingers for like 20 minutes, and there's like 50 or 60 of those spots all the way around the rim. And it just gets too time consuming to the point that I'm like, you know what, screw it. And I got a majority of the rim, it should be fine. But sometimes that's not the best to do. Especially if, you know, it rains, brake dust gets wet. You know, it could corrode your rims. If you have aluminum rims are very picky about lots of things and what's on them. Especially if they're powder coated. It can eat the clear coat and other things. And I have done videos in the past about Purple Power and Simple Green and stuff like that. Purple Power will eat clear coat. It will eat clear coat on aluminum. It'll actually eat aluminum. So if you use Purple Power on your aluminum rims, be careful. Don't put it on any longer than 20 or so seconds, or it will start eating the clear coat. I made the mistake on 2 of my rims while I was washing the truck. I just figured, oh, I'll spray it down, and I didn't think about it, and I didn't read the bottle. You know, it had been like years since I used Purple Power, and I didn't think about it, and then I just sprayed the rims down and let it, you know, like it was rim cleaner, and it wasn't, and it was my mistake. But I finished washing the truck, came back, and I rinsed the whole truck down, including the rims and everything, and I noticed the clear coat was falling off and everything. So that's my bad. I ended up stripping a majority of the clear coat, and then I ended up re-clear coating them myself, and they're doing fine. But yo, I just picked up some car cleaning items. I do plan on doing some videos on these guys, as well as on a bunch of the chemical guys stuff. But I think this might be, in particular, probably something you guys are going to be really interested in. There was that company that came out a long time ago. They sold a little bottle about this big. They claimed it would do every bumper, every plastic item on a vehicle. And it was like new lenses or something like that. I don't remember the name of it. It's a yellow box with the front end of a car on it. You guys down below, leave a comment if you know what I'm talking about. I did test that out a long time ago. It did make one section of my dash really shiny for about 3 or 4 years before it finally faded away. But it did not make the entire dash that shiny. Even though there was one spot on the driver's side vent, around the vent, was shiny all the time for almost 4 years total. And it finally went away, but the rest of the same dash, the rest of the dash is the same, other than like the center console section of the dash, and that's like a more of a PP plastic on the Forerunners of 3rd gen. And it didn't make anything else shiny for any longer than like a couple months. This has been on the truck for about 3 days, and it looks just like that, where this can possibly last 3-4 years. And I figured I'd do a demo video on that and show it to you guys. That way you guys can see what it looks like and how glossy it is. I'm trying to figure out camera angles and stuff before I start the video. Because, you know, I'm going to have to put this camera probably on a really large tripod for you guys. But I don't want to make the video too long. You know, just giving you guys some updates. There's going to be lots of interesting things come to the channel that I'm going to be doing videos on for you guys. Automotive related, tool related, and more. I picked up another one of these towels. They were $9.96 for a 30 pack. They're 30 by 14 inch wide by 14 inch long. They're big, large squares. I like them. I like them for cleaning, more or less, than anything else, because the texture on them is kind of rough. They're not like really silky soft. They do well for scrubbing on especially, you know, vinyl and stuff like that. So I picked up another 30 packs. Now I have 60 of them. Not a big deal. When I need them, I'm probably gonna end up pulling 4 or 5 out anyways on one project. So it's not a big deal to have extras, and for the price, you really can't beat them. These were $23 a piece. I will give these 2 a try if I like them. I will then purchase other variants of the power balls. This one I'm probably going to use just to clean the outside of the rim, and probably try to clean the inside of the rim, because this is wide enough that I can get half the rim on one pass and then have to do it again, or no, about 1/4 of the rim, because my rims are pretty wide. But yeah, about 1/4 of the rim on the back. But it should make it a little easier to clean, and I'll more than likely, you know, use rim cleaner, spray it down, rinse it off. That way these don't get really nasty, covered in brake dust. But just to get, you know, the hard to reach places. So I do appreciate you guys watching. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, please smush the bell notification icon. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. This is everything that I picked up. And I appreciate all of you guys that are subscribers, non-subscribers, all of you guys that watch the channel, that use the affiliate links. It is all very much appreciated. The channel is paying for tools now. It is paying for stuff now. I didn't purchase any of this stuff right here, well, except this. I didn't purchase anything right here on the channel. These are just things that I wanted to pick up. But the channel is buying tools for you guys. So you guys keep watching. You guys keep using the affiliate links. Keep watching the YouTube channel as always. And I will keep providing tools to the channel as long as the channel is paying for them. You guys have suggestions, let me know. There's specific tools you want to see, let me know. And if I'm getting enough from YouTube for that month, I'll see what I can do in the future. Or, you know, if I can buy it at that moment, I'll let you guys know. I'll purchase some tools for the viewers if you guys specifically want to see the tools. And we can go from there. I do appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Peace!